So this is the Fantech Maxfit61. It's an RGB mechanical keyboard which is hot swappable, and it has a detachable USB Type-C cable, and it's a really interesting 60% form factor, and it comes with a red switch which is a linear switch. So today we'll be checking this out, and let's unbox it. So the front of the box is just the Fantech Maxfit61. Right here we can see it. On the side it just says Fantech Maxfit61 RGB Mechanical Keyboard. The front, again the name again. And on the bottom we can see right here it says size doesn't matter, and then we can read over all of the specs. You can pause the video if you want to take a look at it, and I think that the specs are really nice. Again, opening it up, we have the keyboard on top. Let's take it and put it at the side first. Other than that, we have right here we have a warranty card. Pretty interesting. You need to put in all the info. Then we have a Maxfit61 user manual. It's pretty big actually. Yep. And it just goes through the basics of the keyboard. Inside, pretty nice. It says Maxfit61 again. And we have two more things. First thing is we have a bundle of a switch and keycap puller. So this is the keycap puller. And this is the switch puller. And then they also give a detachable Type-C USB cable right here. Let's put everything aside and take a look at the keyboard. Right. So this is what the keyboard looks like. As I mentioned, it's a 60% layout, so you do not have the function key and the numpad, but you do have functions, so you can activate like the delete key right here. First feel, it feels quite good. It is a plastic on plastic build, but overall it's quite nice. So on the back again we just have Maxfit and then 61 with 4 feet. On the front we can see the Fantech logo right here embossed. Let me see if it wants to focus. Right there, it says Fantech Maxfit61. On the top is clear, and then you have a Type-C connector right here. Let's plug it in and see the RGB. So this is how the keyboard looks like with the cable connected and the RGB on. It looks really interesting, really nice. The diffusion is quite nice, and the keys are well lit up. It is double shot ABS, I believe, and it looks really well. Now let's take a look at the keycaps and the switch. So this is one of the keycaps. It is double shot ABS, so the light will shine through. And this is the switch. So this is the switch I got from the keyboard. It's a red linear switch. It's from Otemu, so they are Otemu reds. They are quite cheap for the price. And the thing about this keyboard is it's hot swappable. So if we take a look at the PCB, you can see it's north facing hot swappable 5-pin, so it will fit most of the switches in the market. Now let's take a look at the sound test and check it out. So I have been using this keyboard for the past few days, and I think that it's really nice. Overall, after using it for a few days, I have a very good impression on the build quality. It is awesome and it feels very great. Another thing I really like is the switches and the stabilizers. They're quite good for stock ones, and if you mod them, which I'm going to do in the future, I bet they're going to sound much nicer. Another thing that I really like is the software. So the software Fantech provides gives you a lot of customizability, and then there's a lot of quirky functions, and one that I like is the one the way it reacts to the sound. So for the price you're getting this at 175 ringgit, I think it's a really good deal and a really good keyboard to get started with. So if you're interested, links will be down in the description below. So that has been it for this video, guys. If you like this video, leave a like. If you dislike this video, a huge thanks to Fantech for sending this over for me to take a look at. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.